Welcome, beautiful soul. You've arrived right here, right now, and that's enough. For the next 5 minutes, give yourself permission to pause. The world can wait. This is your time to breathe, to reset, and to find your calm within the noise. So wherever you are, sitting comfortably, lying down, or simply being still, allow your body to settle into the space beneath you. Feel the support of the ground, the chair, or the bed holding you. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your breath begin to slow. You're safe, you're here, and you deserve this moment of peace. Now, please gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's repeat that. Inhale calm. And exhale tension. As you breathe, begin to notice the air moving in and out of your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle rhythm of life moving through you. With each breath, imagine you're inhaling soft, healing light. Let it fill your lungs, your heart, your mind. And as you exhale, release everything heavy, worries, stress, expectations. Let it all melt away. Bring your awareness now to the top of your head. Imagine a warm wave of relaxation flowing down across your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let it move through your neck and shoulders, down your arms to the tips of your fingers. Each exhale releases a little more tension. Feel that wave continue through your chest, your back, your stomach, softening, loosening, grounding you. Now, picture roots growing gently from the base of your spine into the earth. Strong, steady, and supportive. You are connected. You are calm. You are present. Stay here for a few moments, simply breathing. Let your breath guide you home to yourself. Now, take one final deep cleansing breath in. And let it go completely. Notice how your body feels, lighter, calmer, more open. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move through the rest of your day. Know that you can return to this calm anytime with just one conscious breath. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking these 5 minutes to recharge your mind and your spirit. You've done something kind for yourself today. Be gentle, be present, be you.